Hello everyone, this is the beginner series of the React Native. In first two videos we learn about how the view component and text component are working, how to design our view and text also. So in this video I will show you how the image or image background are different and how they work. So for the image I will remove all my text from here, just save it, and then I will import the image from the React Native, just import it, and now close it that also. And now I need some image link. Just copy the image URL, copy the image address from here, and type source. See, we import our image URL and paste it in here, but we haven't seen anything in our screen. For that we need to style our image. So style width 200 and height 200. So see, our image is showing correctly.
So now I need to round my borders. For that we are using the border radius,
and then
just type the 50. It will be round your border also.
Style.
So we can also round our border from the one side. So for that we are write the border
here,
top left 100. So it will be round from the one side.
Style.image.
So we have another property. It's called the resize mode. A resize mode will fit your image to the main container. So that's the main purpose of using the resize mode. But we have props in the resize mode can contain center or cover. So that's
now I will show you how to import your image from your project, not from the internet, from the URL. So for that we need to type for that we need to create another image component, and just come to your project, and in the source file, in the source we just create a assets folder, assets, and also images. Just copy your image and paste it to here. So I have a image in there, so this cat image I will paste it in my image file. Yes, move it to the image. Yes, and so now we import our image to our project. So now we need to copy the path of the image. So just copy the path and come here to your image source and type, and just type require and paste your see. So we import our another image also. So this is not the proper way to import your image from your own project, but we need to declare our path file. So from that we just only import our image. So just come to your src file, type the const, and just create a image path.js, and in here export default, and now image of cat, and just type require. We just import. Why we create the image path file? So this is the proper way to import your all images in one place and then import from that place. This is the better way of your coding. So just in here just search your assets and images, and then just come to the image and copy, Control A all, and save it. And see, just copy your image name and come here, image path, and then see This is the proper way to using of the image. So if you are using from the URL, you just copy your link and paste it. But if you are using from the your project, so you just define the image path file like this, export default, and name of your image, and then type the require, and then path of your image, and then come here, just import your path file like this, and then type your image name. So this is the proper way. And now I will teach you what are the difference between the image background and image. So now I will remove by this cat image. So now an image background, so just come here, source image path dot cat, and also we should define the style here. Style. We just import this style also, and we want to use this style also in the same. See, I will import the text and just type image background. See, this is image background. You can type anything on your image background. So in this video we learn about the image and image background, the difference between the image and the image background. Image background is working like a view, and image is only show your image, but we cannot import other things on the image. But in image background we can import the text, we can create another view also inside the image like this. If I remove this and type the view, and then background color red, and just come here, type text. See, also we can import other component in the image background. So this is the main difference of the image and image background. See you in next video. So bye bye.